everyone, so it's time for our room tour. This is the massive house we have. This is the entrance door, and as soon as you enter, you see there's this carpet which indicates something which I don't know. There's a wolf, polar bear, brown bear, and a reindeer. On the right, you have a bathroom. Now, what's special about this bathroom? It's a basic bathroom, but then it's also it also comes with a sauna. So it's a private sauna. Finland is known for its sauna, so every house always has a sauna, and now we have our private sauna inside the washroom. 10 on 10. So we've set it. He said it'll take up to 20 to 25 minutes, and he told the beginning temperature is 65 degrees, so that's what we've set for. And then you have this wardrobe where you have some slippers and some bathrobe, what is it called? Iron box. And then this is the beautiful living area. There's a TV, there's a fireplace where they've given a few instructions of how to use, or you can call them for the first time, they'll show you and then you can continue. The house also comes with a fully functioning kitchen. There's oven, there's a induction top, there's microwave, fridge, and then basic cutleries with the dining table. And now for the view. This is our private backyard. Array, it was all fine till now. How did it become wet? So you see, you can go for a morning walk from here. It's a nice, pretty walk down the forest lane. And I think that is the spa area. I'm not sure. We still have to figure out what that area is. Now this is the basic living room. Now you might ask, where do you sleep? We sleep upstairs. Let's go. So this is a house which actually can hold up to 5 people, but we wanted a kitchen, so we booked this. If there are 3 people who are interested to join us on this trip, please feel free. But by the time you comment and this video is uploaded, we are already out of Finland. So this is the upstairs, the sleeping area. It's pretty basic, but it's also quite pretty. From here you can see the view of the living area, and overall I think this hotel is great because it's like 4 or 6 minutes walk from the Santa village. So you just walk across that side and you reach Santa village. And it also comes with complimentary breakfast, and there's also a restaurant which serves dinner. So I'll show you around the breakfast area tomorrow morning. For now, this is the beautiful place that we're staying in. This is the Nova Skyland Hotel in Rovaniemi. I just heard the train lady say it's Rovaniemi. And yeah, the plan tomorrow is Santa Village. For now, we'll just rest and relax. And I'll show you around the property and the breakfast place tomorrow. See you there. Guys, we have our order, and you also get postcards, so per person can only pick one. There's this and there's this. It says greetings from Santa's. Guys, there's been a little bit of confusion. This used to be the northernmost McDonald's, but now there's a new McDonald's in Tromsø, so that's bagged the title of the northernmost. However, this is now the official McDonald's, no, Santa's official McDonald's, and you get these postcards as well. So yeah, it's still fun. Guys, the best thing about this McDonald's is that it's also open 24 hours. There's also a McDrive, there's also a charging station, so you can have burgers and fries any time of the day. Morning guys, from a very cold, chilly Rovaniemi, but now we're going for breakfast, and I'll show you around the breakfast, and I'll also show you around the property, and then we'll be done with this video. So let's go for breakfast. There's a great spread of breakfast right there. We've got a mix of everything, And a must try here is the blueberry juice. This is the view. That's our room. That's our room, and right front of our room there's an open air jacuzzi. We might not do it because it's really cold. But this entire property is in middle of a jungle. And with that, we are ending this video of the room tour and the McDonald's that we visited. In the next video, we'll be taking you around the Santa Claus village. So that's going to be exciting. We'll be meeting Santa, we'll be meeting Mrs. Santa and the elves. So it's a childhood dream of mine, and I never thought I'll be doing this, but here we are in Rovaniemi. So I'll see you around in Santa Claus village. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. You know what to do till then. Like, share, subscribe. Have fun.